Wide format allows Palm Springs Unified School District to add a lot more savings into the print shop. We're able to do a lot more in-house instead of sending it out. A lot more savings into our sites where they need signage, graduation signs, wall prints, window perf. Anything they would need, they would send out. We could do in-house and get it done custom to what they need. Before we had the large format printer here, all of materials that were either on a sign or a window, whatever they needed, was all done outsourced to large private companies. Those prices were 8 to 10 times of what we could do in-house. So within the 2 years of having it now, we've been able to pay off the equipment we have and just keep all that money in the district instead of sending it out. Some of the new applications we've been able to do because of this equipment has been signage on the floors, whether it be stickers or walls. We do the magnets, we do wall prints, we do window perf, we do our rigid signs for graduations, we do cutouts of characters to be at the food service sites. We do signage for our food service and pickups. So we've been able to really expand what we serve our district with and at the same time save them money from sending it out.